All right, they see each other. They're two baby dragons in the wild.
This is my school. This is my area.
Uh-oh, but it's not his. So they fill their bodies with air. They push their spines out on their side, getting really big. Principal Jaye, get really big. Fill your body with air. Push those spines out. That's right. Get really tough. Oh, you've got it. Now, take those two bones on your chin, push them way out. Can you bob your chin up and down? Up and down, up and down, looking oh so scary. Then they take their arms and they wave them in the air. They're trying to look bigger than the other one. Oh, look at this. Whoa, all right, now he's got some moves.
Robot.
I wonder who's going to win. And then they start whacking each other with their tail over and over. And then